Hi everyone, my name is Takhsh. I'm an immigration attorney from Chicago. I've been doing this line of work for over 10 years, helping individuals and families maneuver their immigration journeys. Today we will discuss the various types of visas available. And when it comes to visas, first and foremost, let's understand there are two major categories. You have the immigrant visas and you have the non-immigrant visas. When we talk about an immigrant visa signifies an intent to the US government that the applicant wants to reside in the US permanently. And when we're talking about a non-immigrant visa, the intent signifies that the applicant simply wants to visit the US, simply wants to come to study in the US, or wants to temporarily work in the US. Beyond that, you have essentially four major categories. You have family-based visas, you have employment-based visas, you have investment-based visas, and fourthly, you have individuals seeking protection in the United States. And so when we're talking about the first category, family-based petitions, those generally involve a US citizen family member or a legal permanent resident family member who is filing on behalf of a family member. That could be a spouse, that could be a sibling, that could be a parent, basically an immediate relative. When we're talking about the second category, employment-based visas, generally you're talking about a US company that has a need that is to be filled by an employee, and that employee happens to be a foreign national, either residing outside the US or in the United States. Thirdly, you have investment-based visas, whether they are E2, non-immigrant, or EB5, immigrant visas. And fourthly, as I alluded to earlier, you have a special category that is for individuals who are in need of protection because they are fleeing their home country because of some terrible things that may have happened to them or that is likely to happen to them if they were to return to their home country. So when you are looking at the various types of visas available, remember, the big picture is immigrant versus non-immigrant, and then you have the four categories: family-based, employment-based, investment-based, and asylum. Of course, there's a lot of intricacies, a lot of details that we haven't gone over, but again, this is the big picture, allowing you to make sense of all the information that is out there. Until next time, please take care of yourself.